Hey guys, just move a little slower, watch that village area. Yeah, I don't want to get like seen yet, so stay concealed kind of thing, like don't get out in the open too much. Just watch in front of you too. We should be on their backside. Let me just radio when we're here. Hey, stick in cover. I don't want to get spotted yet. Fuck it. You know what? Fuck it. We're gonna go to the village. You cool with that? Alright, let's do it. Keep it spread. Keep your gun up. There could be in there. Who's your buddy right here? Yeah. What's his name? Will. Can you tell Will to like just eyes up, eyes up. We're going for it. You guys ready? Yeah. Let's do this shit. Alright. Move quick, get out of the open. Get to that wall. Tell Will to get to that wall. Get to the wall quick. Watch the right corner. Watch the right corner. Okay. Alright, Tom. Give me two you guys go this way. Just cross everything, make sure nothing. Give me one guy on me, we're gonna go take the right. The rest of you guys go up the middle. Take that middle building, okay? Sound like a plan? Hey, I got people right here, I got people right here, I got people right here in the open. Alright, stay left. McGurr on me, go right. 3, 2, 1, go. In. Get in cover, get in cover. Alright. Now, if there's someone around here, don't shoot him yet. Go into the rooms first, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. They're in here, Get up. Are you hit? Alright. Yeah, good. Thank you.
There's one more guy.
There's one more guy. Okay. So, game plan, we're gonna cross.
I'll give you cover, you cross first.
Okay.
And you cover me out, I'll cross.
Alright, put fire on that, watch that left entrance. I'm gonna cross right now, 3, 2, 1. Hit.
Fuck me. Fuck.
Hit.
Real? I don't want to get hit by that thing. I'm dead and I'm walking out, right? Good shot.
Oh, thank you. Did you hit me with a throwing knife? Because I thought I felt like myself get. I'm like, oh. I'm like, it didn't feel like me, but I'm pretty sure I got hit. Like, good shot, good stuff. Medic! Alright, you know what to do. Is he alive? He's down.
You are now watching the throne. Don't let me get in my zone. Don't let me